Will the housing market crash in 2024? It's a question sparking debate among homeowners, investors, and economic experts. And who better to draw the insights than the sage of Oklahoma himself, Warren Buffett? The past few years have been a roller coaster for the real estate sector, marked by soaring prices and record low mortgage rates. But as we gaze toward the future, several key factors come into play. In this episode, we will dive deep into the housing market dynamics. Is the bubble about to burst, or are we looking at a stable future? Recently, we've seen mortgage rates more than double compared to 2020 and 2021, and home prices remain high. This has led to stagnation in housing activity, with existing home sales at their lowest since 2010, foreclosure crisis, and a significant drop in mortgage demand. But what does this mean for the future? Are we in a housing bubble? The Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas reported signs of a brewing U.S. housing bubble in 2022. However, experts like Freddie Mac's deputy chief economist, Len Kiefer, don't believe we are in the bubble. Kiefer attributes the recent price increases to lower mortgage rates and a shift in housing demand rather than speculation or credit expansion. Comparing today's market to the 2008 housing crash, there are distinct differences. Lending standards have significantly tightened, and most borrowers now have fixed-rate mortgages, reducing the risk of payment shocks. Another critical factor is the current state of homeowner equity. Data from Adam shows that nearly half of the mortgage homes in the U.S. are equity-rich, providing a cushion against market downturns. Looking ahead, experts anticipate challenges for the housing market in 2024. High mortgage rates, inflated home values, and limited inventory suggests a highly challenging year ahead. The Federal Reserve's efforts to control inflation by raising interest rates have also slowed the housing market. Yet, despite these challenges, the consensus among experts is a market correction rather than a crash. Predictions for post-recession housing market recovery vary, but there's a general agreement on some reset level. Factors like declining mortgage rates and demographic drivers are expected to bring more buyers back into the market. However, the severity and timing of potential recession remain crucial variables in these predictions. So what should home buyers do in this uncertain market? With affordability at a historic low, some buyers are looking for more affordable metros or adjusting their budgets. Experts recommend building savings, strengthening credit, and researching potential neighborhoods for those who still need to buy. Now we turn into the insights of industry experts and wisdom of Warren Buffett to gauge whether a housing market crash is on the horizon. Experts in the field offer varying views on the housing market's future. While some signal caution due to the current economic uncertainties, others remain optimistic about the market's resilience. But let's break down their analysis. Critical points from experts highlight the impact of high mortgage rates, inflation, and of global economic shifts on the housing market. Yet many agree that the market is more likely to experience a correction than a crash. This distinction is vital. A correction suggests a natural adjustment to the market's overvaluation, while a crash indicates a more dramatic and sudden decline. Moving to Warren Buffett's perspective, his investment philosophy offers valuable insights. Known for his long-term, value-driven approach, Buffett's views on real estate investments are guided by fundamental market principles rather than short-term fluctuations. Buffett's investment strategy is often described as value investing, focuses on the intrinsic value of assets. He advocates for investments that show potential growth and stability over time. Applying this to the housing market, Buffett would likely advise against reactionary moves based on temporary market dips or spikes. Buffett's principles stress the importance of understanding market fundamentals, patience, and avoiding speculative bubbles. This translates to the investment in properties with solid long-term prospects in real estate, irrespective of short-term market volatility. As we navigate the complexities of the housing market, it's essential to consider various economic indicators and their impact on real estate. Unemployment rates, consumer spending, and overall financial health significantly shapes the housing market's future. Consumer spending and confidence are also vital indicators. When consumers feel confident about their financial futures, they're more likely to make significant investments like buying a home. Conversely, the housing market often feels the impact when confidence wanes. Warren Buffett, known for his timeless investment wisdom, often emphasizes the importance of economic trends in investment decisions. He believes in understanding the broader economic landscape, which includes evaluating the health of industries, government policies, and global economic shifts. Buffett's approach is not only just picking individual stocks or properties, it's about understanding the entire ecosystem in which these investments exist. He advises investors to look at the bigger picture, considering factors like demographic changes, urbanization trends, and technological advancements that could influence the housing market. Furthermore, Buffett's investment philosophy underlines the distinction between short-term and market noise and long-term economic realities. He advises against knee-jerk reactions to the market news, instead suggesting focus on long-term trends and sustainable market growth. In summary, while the housing market presents challenges and uncertainties, a comprehensive view that includes economic indicators, consumer trends, and long-term investment philosophies like those of Warren Buffett can provide a more grounded approach to navigating this complex market. As we witness changes in the real estate landscape, staying informed and adopting a holistic view remains critical to making wise decisions. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a seasoned investor, or just curious about the future of real estate, we hope this helped you gain a better understanding of the housing market. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2024 housing market. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on real estate and investment strategies.